Demi Rose, 26, set pulses racing last night as she took to her social media to share an intimate selfie from her bed. The beauty was preparing for an early night ahead of a tanning session, which she gave fans a glimpse of on Instagram. One of the sultry shots shared to Demi's story showed her laying on her stomach as she prepared for bed. The model typed, "Early nights are my new favorite," alongside two pink love hearts. Earlier this morning, Demi shared an update as she soaked in the sun in a flowery bikini. Demi put her famous curves on display in a halter neck top as she pouted for the camera. A second snap showed her relaxing outdoors, with the stunning brunette declaring it was hot tub time.